thicker and bigger is better with the Endless Desires Couples Enhancer from California Exotic Novelties. This totally hands-free and wireless enhancer is made from stretchable and versatile TPE, which is hygienic, soft, pliable, durable, and non-porous. The enhancer slips over him for extra support and is gently ribbed on the inside for his pleasure. The stretchy support ring fits comfortably around the scrotum. For her pleasure, the Endless Desires Couples Enhancer is designed with strategically placed pleasure nubs for maximum ecstasy and flickering dual ticklers for incredible stimulation. But that's not all. Dual removable push-button vibrating bullets insert easily in the sleeves at the top and bottom of the enhancer. Open each waterproof and reusable stimulator with a counterclockwise twist and insert 3 new watch batteries. 12 are included free with your initial purchase. And reseal the cap securely. Slide the silver-plated micro stimulators into the snug sleeves and simply push the easy one-touch push button when you're ready to explore. Remember to remove batteries when not in use to prevent corrosion to the unit. To maintain function and maximum performance of your Endless Desires Couples Enhancer, always use a water-based lubricant or the all-purpose Cal Exotics brand Universal Lube, safe for all toys and materials, and it washes up easily with mild soap and a damp washcloth, or Cal Exotics Antibacterial Toy Cleaner. Cleaning is advised before and after each use. Removable waterproof bullets for more intense foreplay and a soft stretchable enhancer for support. The wireless Endless Desires Couples Enhancer, only from California Exotic Novelties.